Welcome to this step-by-step guide on connecting your Facebook account to your WordPress website. In this tutorial, you will learn how to get started with your WordPress website and seamlessly integrate it with your Facebook account so you can benefit from enhanced marketing and connectivity options. We will cover everything from accessing your WordPress site to linking your Facebook account through a series of clearly defined actions. Begin by navigating to the WordPress website using your web browser. Once the page loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login option. Selecting this option will prompt you to authenticate yourself and get started on the process. When you click login, focus on the available methods for signing in. Instead of entering a username and password manually, choose the option that says continue with Google. This option allows you to sign in with one of your Google accounts, making the login process quick and convenient. Once you select this option, you will be prompted to choose the appropriate account from your list. This integration simplifies the process by leveraging your existing Google credentials. After successfully logging in, your next destination within WordPress is the Tools section. Navigating to the Tools section is an important step in managing additional functionalities of your website. Once inside, you will notice several utilities available for optimizing your website's performance and connectivity. Look for the marketing options within the Tools menu, which are designed to help you promote your site more effectively. After entering the marketing section, you will then see a variety of features related to promoting and optimizing your website. Focus on the Connections tab, which is dedicated to managing integrations with other platforms and services. This is where you can easily integrate your social media platforms with WordPress and streamline your digital marketing efforts. Within the Connections tab, locate the option to connect with Facebook. This part of the process is all about linking your social media presence with your website. When you find the Facebook option, simply click on it. Doing so will lead you toward the final steps of this integration process. Once you have clicked on the Facebook connection option, you will be prompted to take the next action. At this point, click the connect button to begin establishing the connection between your Facebook account and WordPress. A new window or prompt might appear asking you to provide your Facebook credentials. Simply continue by entering the required details from your existing Facebook account in order to verify your identity and allow the connection. Following these steps, your Facebook account will be successfully connected to your WordPress website. This integration provides a powerful bridge between your social media activity and website marketing tools, enhancing the overall functionality of your digital presence. By following each instruction diligently, you ensure a smooth and efficient setup process that only takes a few minutes to complete. Congratulations on completing the integration process. You have now linked your Facebook account with your WordPress website using a straightforward process that optimizes how you manage and promote your online presence. Enjoy exploring additional features and making the most of the tools available on both WordPress and Facebook.